Hi folks, today we are at Boatshed, Grenada, looking at a great example of a Jeanneau Sunkiss 47. She's been out of the water here for a few months, getting some work done by the owner, who finds his time mostly occupied at work, unfortunately, but he is a merchant navy engineer, so the plus sides are he knows his way around, and what he's doing to her is of the best standard. She has solar, a single helm position, teak seating and decking. If you notice in the bottom of the cockpit there, that entire panel where the table would normally sit can be raised up for access to the engine room. Inside, here we are looking aft. Engine access is not through the companionway, it's through the aft head, just off the rear cabins, and through the side of the cabins themselves next to the bed. It's excellent space for working on the engine, which, by the way, is very low hours, about 1,000 hours, just over 1,000 hours on this Jeanneau 4JH5E. All the woodwork is in great shape. It's a little bit occupied, we should say, at the moment, since he's been here doing work, but if we look past some of his personal items, you can see that the woodwork is in great shape. So here we are, 1989 Sunkiss 47 at Boatshed, Grenada.